Listen, I already knew this wig was about to eat before I even installed it, but what I didn't know was it was gonna be this easy for real. So let's just get into it. This is the 24-inch highlighted ombre water wave wig from Ashimary Hair. Y'all already know when Ashimary Hair is in the building, it's always a wig for the books. It's one you definitely gotta add to your collection. It's a 360 wig, but with a twist. They added this little invisible strap in the back that tightens with a drawstring, so it definitely fits more secure without any glue. You don't need any install skills to pull this off, I promise you. All right, so y'all seen them beautiful curls. That's how they came straight out the pack. I'm gonna wash it with some clarifying shampoo, and then I'm gonna add my moisturizing conditioner, leave it in for a few minutes, let it air dry overnight, and then boom, here we are. One thing I want to applaud Ashimary Hair for is actually the curls. Like the curls, even after I washed them, they came back exactly the same. Now they do look fuller, okay, because I didn't use any product on the hair at all. So this is what it would look like if you didn't use no product on the hair. You just wash, condition it, and let it air dry. Beautiful. And look at the shine, look at the density on this unit. And be mindful, please make sure after your first wash to use products that are for color treated hair. I can't stress that enough. Y'all wigs don't be lasting long because you don't know how to take care of them. Stop playing them in the wigs, all right? This is me showing you guys I tinted the lace. But this is what it looks like. I just used some tinting spray because I couldn't find my cream foundation. I'm going into hot comb the hairline. Definitely, y'all, I don't know why I just never show this part on camera, but make sure you're using heat protectant anytime you're using heat on your hair. So take a comb, spray some heat protectant, and then spray it, comb it through the hairline, and then follow up with your wax and your hot comb. Make sure you're protecting the hair. So now we're just getting into the install process. Y'all know what it is. We're going to take a few layers of that Kiss lace spray, and then we're going to wait till it's tacky and lay it down. You do not have to use lace spray or lace glue. If you'd like to wear it glueless, the only thing I would say is that you probably would have to secure down the tabs on the sides near the ears. That would be my only concern. Now, if you're going to be wearing the hair down in your face, you'll be fine. But if the wind's blowing, that's another thing. So y'all know I keep it a buck with y'all. Definitely going to have to go in and secure down the tabs fully, especially if you're going to be doing the updo. I did let it sit for 10 minutes, and I love their elastic band because, you know how your ears be screaming and hollering because that band sitting on for too long. Ashimary solved the problem because now they got earmuffs, or I don't know what you call them, but we're going to call them earmuffs on the elastic band, and it just saves the day. We're going in to do some baby hairs. This part is not crucial. Why can't I talk? This part is optional. So basically what I'm going to do is take a mini flat iron and curl away from my face. And then I am going to go in with my edge control and swoop. If you're having problems swooping your baby hairs, definitely recommend you grabbing a flat iron. This one's the Babyliss, I think it's titanium. Baby, look how good this look. I don't even want to define the wig. I want to just wear it like this and go. I'm feeling like Beyonce, okay? I love this color. So now I'm going to go ahead and take out the drawstring and tighten it to my liking, so I can show you guys how you can do your updo, your ponytail, half up, half down. You can do all of that with this. And I love the material of this drawstring because no matter how secure or tight you pull it, it does not hurt. It's not uncomfortable. I love it. It is so comfy. Like Ashimary did that, okay? They changed the game with this drawstring. It does come with replacements just in case over time, it, you know what it do. But I love the material. It's very stretchy, and again, very secure and comfy. So I'm just brushing everything forward so I can put it in a high ponytail. I tried to get as much of the curls out in the back out so you guys could see what I'm working with. So we're just gonna go ahead and stick this in a ponytail. And when I tell you guys, I was shook of, because y'all know I'm not one to care about what the back of my head looks like, because that's a you problem. I can't see it, so it don't matter. What is that? Out of sight, out of mind. Look, like, this is up close, y'all. Up close and personal. Where's the lace? This is not secure. No lace spray, no glue, no nothing. Just me tightening the drawstring. That is freaking insane. And look, I can put my head down. It's flat at the base. Please don't play with Ashimary. That's all I'm gonna say. Look, I can turn to different angles. Y'all can't tell me nothing. You know, and they do have little baby hairs. You don't even have to put them down if you don't want it. You can put them back up, but they did the dang thing. I promise you they did. So anyway, I had to make a run real quick, so I did do this little button. And when I tell you the comments, they was like, this is a 360 wig? I was like, yeah. They was like, you glued that down? I said, no ma'am, not in the back. Not in the back. They did it. I don't care what nobody say, they did it. So anyway, what I'm about to do, I'm about to go in and do a half up, half down. Like, I really just wanted to leave it in its fullness, like the thickness of the hair. I love the density, the color combo eats all the way down. It's like transitioning from summer to fall, but this is a all year round unit. It don't matter when you put this wig on, you gonna step, you gonna eat every time. Look how full and pretty this is. All right, so lastly, I'm getting into my curly hair routine. I like to work in sections. I feel like that just gives me the best result. Now, my spray was a little broken, okay? So it was doing a little waterfall instead of misting. So it took me a minute to get everything saturated. But depending on what type of curls you're looking for is going to depend on your products. So if you're looking for a look where it's more defined, as the curls came when I first got her, you definitely will have to use mousse or gel. If you're going for the look that I'm about to show you, it's going to be more so like airy and fluffy, defined but not defined. You're definitely going to want to use your water, foam wrap lotion, and just a little bit oil at the ends combo. Okay, so that's really all I'm doing. I'm saturating each section with water. Once I get enough water, I go in with some of the foam wrap lotion. I don't want each section dripping, but wet enough. Okay, and then I'm just going in with my brush to define my curls. You can shake them or you can scrunch them, either way. Now you can manipulate these curls to, pretty much do them how you want. If you look up like curly hair routines, it's so many methods to getting different types of curls, but I wanted it, loose and flowy, just less defined as they came in the package. So now I'm just going in with some heat from my blow dryer. It's on the cool heating setting. Do not run your hands through this. Just move it around just so the air can circulate through. I do towards the roots make sure I turn it on warm just so it's not sitting wetting there. But y'all, look at this wig. I'm gonna give her 100 out of 10 because I'm obsessed with the color. I'm obsessed, okay? And my favorite part about the wig was the ponytail because it blew my mind. I was not expecting it to do what it did. Now it definitely can hold a curl. I want to curl my whole head like this, but I didn't have time, so I just put a little curls in there and just did something like I just love it. Okay, so I will leave the link down to this wig in the description section below. I hope you guys enjoy, and until my next one.